Hey everybody, this is Michael with GrassFlap here, and I wanted to do a quick video on how to use our GrassFlap Lookup. So I'm on our home page here, and I'm going to go to the middle where I'm going to click this GrassFlap Lookup icon, and it's going to take me to a drop-down menu. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select our brand. So we have all major mowing brands listed here. For the sake of this exercise, we're going to go with a Skag mower. It's one of our more popular brands. Next thing, we're going to select the type. So the type means, is it a sit down, is it a stand on, or walk behind? Again, for this exercise, we're going to go with a rider. And then you have your deck size. So we're going to go with a 61 inch. And then next is the model. So we're going to just pick a Turf Tiger 2 here. And then you're going to select your year. This one fits all models 2010 and newer. And then once we've got that filled out, we're going to click Find Our GrassFlap. In this case, it's going to take us to a comparison chart because the Skag has both the metal and the plastic option. So the first thing you're going to see is that comparison chart showing the pros and cons of each. We're going to scroll down and click the metal version in this case, and it's going to take us to the product page. So now that we've got the product page, it's going to give us the description, the cost. It also shows what's included with hyperlinks for spare parts if you need that. And then also too, there's installation if there's any kind of modifications or anything. In this case, there's no drilling required, so good to go. Once you are satisfied with that, you want to add it to your cart. And once added to the cart, you check out and you're off to the races. And if you don't see your GrassFlap listed on our GrassFlap Lookup, give us a call or email us. All right, thanks everyone.